The College of St. Scholastica has partnered with Minnesota State University Mankato through the Iron Range Engineering program to offer students an engineering degree pathway at the College of St. Scholastica. Imagine getting to the end of a degree in engineering and having 2.5 years of industry experience in the discipline area of choice, whether that's civil engineering, chemical, mechanical, electrical, and so many more. Students are given an opportunity to write their own story and become the engineer that they want to be through this partnership. Throughout this journey to become an engineer, it's more than just the coursework. It's becoming skilled and ready to work as an engineer in industry, becoming design-oriented, technical, and being a professional in the career field of choice. Students begin at St. Scholastica in small class sizes, and they have professors there to support them every step of the way, where then they transition to Iron Range Engineering and receive that same level of mentorship and support that they were receiving before, but now to transition into industry. The first semester after a student transitions from St. Scholastica into the Iron Range Engineering model is called the Bell Academy semester, and this is an immersive experience that prepares students for what it's like to work as full-time engineers in industry. Students then transition into a working experience where they are working full-time, 40 hours a week in industry for engineering companies around the world. As students work on these internships or co-op opportunities, they are paid experiences. On average, our students are earning $25 an hour, working 40-hour work weeks to experience what it's like to be an engineer, working alongside others in the profession as well as non-engineers in industry, which is a tremendous experience for somebody looking to become an engineer. This dual degree pathway leads to a Bachelor of Arts in Natural Sciences from the College of St. Scholastica and a Bachelor of Science in Engineering from Minnesota State University Mankato. The engineering degree is ABET accredited and is the standard that is required for professional licensure for those looking to pursue that as an engineer. This is a hands-on learning experience for students. It's a close-knit community. Students are building a sense of belonging and a sense of identity, not just at St. Scholastica, but also with Iron Range Engineering. It's fantastic to have a place where you can wear multiple hats and become an engineer in the making. It's more than just coursework. It's preparation for the entire engineering profession.